Well, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna prepare for make guava juice. So today I'm gonna make guava juice with probably for 4 people. According to my family, they consist of 4 people. So here I use three guava. So I have to peel it out, and then I prepare here also 100 grams of sugar and also one sachet of condensed milk. It's around 37 grams. So you can figure out how much you're gonna use it. If you wanna use it probably sweetened than my recipe make, so you can put it more. Well, first I have to peel out the guava. So today is kind of very hot, so it must be very good whenever we drink guava juice for this to accompany our lunch. So here we go. The guava already peeled out, and then we cut it in a small tiny. Cut it all. It's not really a small cut, but it's probably already enough whenever we put inside of the blender. When this all done, the size is like this, and afterward we pour out in the blender, put it all together. And afterward we put the condensed milk, just pour it out all. And then we have sugar here. It's 100 grams of sugar, so we put all together in the blender. And then I have water here. It's drinking water. It's ready, around 800 milliliter water. We just put it out in the blender. Oh yeah, anyway guys, whenever you like it is a cold juice, you can put some ice cube in it. Well, ready. Now we're gonna mix out the juice to make it a guava juice. Well, we start to mix to make it juice. Well, it's enough. It's just around 2 or 3 minutes to mix it, and afterward it's ready, and we're gonna drain it, the juice. So here you go. I mix already in the guava with the condensed milk and also sugar, and here I also prepare to drain the guava in the place here. And then I drain the guava here, and then just pour it out. so the seed inside will separate it from the juice. Oh, I'm almost full, but it's cool. We have enough juice for today. It's enough for 5 to 6 people actually. We're ready, and then we remove to this place, so it's easy to pour to the glasses. But too much afterward because of in the guava there's too much water in it, so I get more water, more juices inside my glass, big glass. Well, okay guys, I already prepared 2 glasses here. It's around 200 milliliter. That's enough to drink for one person, and I pour it. If you guys like the cold condition of your juice, you just put ice cube in it. Well, it's enough for 200 milliliter for one glass, and it's just white. It look like milk, isn't it? And here you go for the garnishes. I gonna put some slices of lime. So whenever you squeeze the lime inside the glasses, so it will taste much better. Well, ready? Here the guava juice from homemade to keep you healthy. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching.